Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by measuring the opening accurately, width, height, and diagonals to confirm the new unit fits. Once done, put on safety glasses and gloves. Safety matters because glass and nails can cut. You gather tools now: pry bar, drill, level, shims, caulk gun. Then remove interior trim and the old sash, keeping screws and stops in a labeled bag so you don't lose hardware. Doing these steps first prevents delays later and ensures the opening is ready for installation. You'll now remove the old frame and inspect the rough opening for rot or framing issues. Address any damage before proceeding, because installing into bad wood wastes a new window. Once the frame is out, clean the sill and plane any high spots so the new window sits flat. Install flashing and a sill pan to direct water out. Make sure the opening is level and plumb using shims placed under the sill. Proper alignment prevents binding and ensures smooth operation. You set the new window into the prepared opening, centering it and inserting shims at hinge and lock locations so the sash will operate correctly. Shims control spacing and load. Once plumb, secure with screws per the manufacturer's pattern, then apply flashing tape and exterior caulk to seal against water and air. Reinstall interior trim, insulate gaps with low expansion foam, and test the window's operation. If it sticks or leaks, check shim placement and screw torque first. Adjusting shims often fixes alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.